Are you searching for the best plunge router? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best plunge router in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. RT6033 15-amp Variable Speed Plunge Woodworking Router Kit. Features and details. Efficient powerhouse. With a robust 3.25 horsepower design and a full copper motor, this plunge router offers speeds ranging from 12,000 to 23,000 RPM, enabling you to tackle complex woodworking tasks with lightning-fast efficiency, saving both time and effort. Adjustable depth. The plunge base router provides a cutting range from 0-inch to 2 to 3/4 inch, allowing you to adjust the depth for grooving, drilling, and more. This remarkable flexibility puts precise control at your fingertips, whether you're diving deep for grooves or achieving delicate surface cut. Security and control. The soft start motor design of this electronic plunge base router minimizes vibrations, ensuring smooth acceleration and giving woodworkers precise control. The handle's built-in security lock simplifies operation, providing a secure and seamless user experience. Durable and dust-resistant. Equipped with an internal fan, this plunge woodworking router minimizes dust ingress, prolonging the tool's lifespan. Its dust-resistant switch design protects the circuit from dust-related issues, ensuring years of reliable performance. Comprehensive accessories. The wood router comes with a wealth of accessories, including a parallel guide, straight guide, dust nozzle, wrench, 1/4-inch collet cone set, butterfly bolt, toolbox, and guide holt. With this complete set of milling tools, your woodworking tasks will achieve unparalleled precision.